Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. And today we are going to discuss about AWS Snapshot. So let's start. In this video, I'll be going to cover what is Snapshot, what are the features of AWS Snapshot, and I will give you a demo to how to create a snapshot. Then we will see what is Amazon Machine Images, and then at the end we will see how to create encrypted EC2. So let's start this video. Now, what is AWS Snapshot? As we all know, the meaning of snapshot is to take a picture, right? If we take a snapshot in our phone or a screenshot, we say in our phone, we want to capture the situation which is there at that point in the phone. That's what we capture, right? Similarly, if we want to take a snapshot in our laptops, we want to capture that at that time whatever is displaying on the screen of laptop, we want to capture that. So similar way, a snapshot is the capturing of EBS volume which is attached to our EC2 instance. Now, what is EC2 instance? EC2 instance is the virtual server which is available in Amazon AWS. Okay, and in this Amazon AWS EC2, we have a attached volume which is known as elastic block storage. This volume contained all the information of EC2, the operating system detailed. If we are running any application in the EC2, it contains the application data. So all the data related to the EC2 gets stored in the EBS. Okay, so once we take the snapshot of that volume, we will get the complete detail of that EC2 at that point of time. Now, this snapshot, if we see here, taking photo of the volume at a particular time and storing it to the S3. S3 bucket is the storage provided by AWS. I will cover this in detail in the coming video. Then, snapshot is used for capturing incremental data changes. So suppose in today at present I have a EC2, and that EC2 is having simple operating system, that's all. So if I take a snapshot at this time, I will capture the EC2 and the operating system information. Now, suppose after some days I have deployed a web page, a HTML web page, and a web application in my same EC2. Then, if I take the snapshot of that time, I will get the operating system detail plus the web page which I have deployed on the EC2. I will that everything get captured in my second snapshot. So if you want to capture the delta changes of your EC2, we can use the snapshot. It capture only the data which is written in the EBS volume. So if you are using any other storage apart from EBS by default you have to use with each and every EC2, because it contain operating system and other information. It store everything. But if we are using any other database or S3 or anything, that then it won't capture that detail. It will only capture the Amazon EBS volume. Then how to do this? We have to stop the instant, we have to take a snapshot, and then we have to start the instant. Or you can do like this also, that is fine. It is just a best recommended practice. So what are the features of snapshot? So first thing is sharing snapshot. If whatever snapshot we are taking, we usually take in the one region, in the same region where we have the EC2. Okay, then suppose if I want to uh, you know uh, use this snapshot in any other region, I cannot share. I have to use the copy option. You have to copy the snapshot from one region to another region, and this copying will help us to migrate the EC2 instance. How? See, snapshot will capture the detailed of EC2 instance. Suppose I have created a EC2 instance and I have deployed few application in that EC2 instance, and everything is good and well running in one region. Now I want to duplicate same thing into another region. So I will not start from scratch. What I will do, I will take a snapshot of that particular time of that EC2 instance which I have created, and then I will use this snapshot to create an image, that is Amazon machine image. What is Amazon machine image? I have covered in my next slides. So Amazon machine image is like same images what we have if we are working for any company or any organization. Our laptop will be having an image. That image is a customized image. It is having operating system detail plus all the other security and privacy details what organization wants to include. So everything is there in that image. It is a customized form. Similarly, we can use this snapshot to create image, and from that image we can create the EC2 instance in that particular region. So similarly, we cannot migrate the EC2 like this, but we can migrate EC2 using this process. So now I will give you a demo to how to create the snapshot. So let's begin. I have logged into the Amazon console management. So AWS console. So to create a snapshot, first we have to see for which EC2 instant we want to create the snapshot. So in my last video of EC2, I have created this EC2 instance known as demo server, and this server is by default having a EBS volume attached to it, the volume which is ending with 3495. So we want to take the snapshot of this volume. So let's go to our services. In the services we will see under elastic block storage there is a option of snapshots. Let's go there and then just do create snapshot. Then we are creating a snapshot from our EBS volume. If you want to go through what is EBS and if you want to gather more detail about it, I have already published a video, you can see that. Then I have to give my volume ID. So we know that the volume which that demo server is using is ending with 3495. This is our, now this is our snapshot which we are using for demo. So that is the description, and then we have to create it. Okay, so snapshot demo is here what we have created. Now it is in the pending state. It will take some time for it to come online. So I will pause this video. Once it's come online, we'll start. Okay guys, so this snapshot demo is now completed and it's available now. It's available online. We can see other details like the volume which we use to create it and all other details of the snapshot. So this is the way we have created. Now if so this snapshot is in the region as and Virginia. If you want to know what is region, what is availability zone, I have covered in my AWS video. You can always go and refer that. So we have created this snapshot in this particular region. Now suppose I want to migrate this snapshot to any other region, suppose and California. So first we go to and California and we'll see there is no snapshot. And I want to migrate the snapshot which I have created, that is snapshot demo, to and California. What I will do first, I will see the and California is US West 1. So I have to migrate it to US West 1 region. So let's go to our this snapshot demo and let's copy this snapshot. When you are copying, it will ask you destination region. So here you have to select US West 1, that is California. Once you select this and copy, yes, once you select and copy, now you will see that our snapshot got copied to our California region. This is how we can migrate it. It's in pending state. It will take some time for it to come online. You can see the progress from here. I will pause this video. Once it's come online, we'll start. Migrating this snapshot from one region to another. If you see the global infrastructure of AWS, the regions are very far away. So you have created one thing in one particular region and you want to copy that thing to another region, completely different region. Can you imagine? Like, it's a very huge task which you are doing, but here you can do it in minutes. So it will, of course, it will take some time, but this is something which is tremendous if you want to utilize, reuse your work. So let's wait. It's still in the pending state. We will wait, and once it come online, we'll start our demo. Okay, guys. So here you see our snapshot, which we have created in the Virginia region. It's now available in California region too. It's available 100%. So this is the beauty of AWS. Now, I have shown you how to create a snapshot and then how to copy that to the another region. Now, let's see what is Amazon Machine Image. Amazon Machine Image contain all the information which are required to launch a EC2. If you see my EC2 video where I am creating a EC2, we have to select the image. That is a pre I will not say prerequisite, but that is a mandatory thing. You have to select the image. That image will contain operating system for sure and all the other customization which are required. So here is the list. What an image contain? It contain the region where you want to create the EC2, operating system, memory, and launch permission if you need any, and storage device volume, that is our EBS. So everything is contained in the EC2. Now, if you want to create an encrypted EC2, normal EC2, we have seen our video that how to create a normal EC2 instance. But suppose I want to create an encrypted EC2 for the security region. Suppose I am doing very, sensitive data processing. For that use case, we can always create an encrypted EC2. How? I will show you. Here are some steps which I have listed. First, we have to create a snapshot of an unencrypted volume, which we have already done. Our snapshot name is snapshot demo. Then we have to copy and choose encrypt option. So while we are copying the snapshot, this time we have choose the destination region when we are copying, but this time we have to choose encrypt option while copying. And then we have to use this encrypted snapshot to create an AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image. And then we will use this AMI to create our encrypted instance. So this is the complete steps which we need to follow. Let's go back to our region, our original region, which is this one. And then we have to select the snapshot. This is snapshot demo. And then we have to encrypt this. How we will encrypt it? We have to copy the snapshot and then we have to choose encrypt this snapshot. It will automatically take the KMS key, which is used for encryption. If you want to give your own, you can also give, but this is the simple demo which I am giving you here. And then you have to copy the snapshot. Now if you see the snapshot copy, this is snapshot demo, this copy got created here and is still in the pending state. Let's wait once it come online. So I will pause this video and we will wait for it to come online. Okay, guys, so the encrypted copy of our snapshot is available, it's online. And now we will use this snapshot which we have created from our demo server EC2. We have taken the snapshot of it first and then we have encrypted this. Now we will use this encrypted one to create an AMI. So that is Amazon Web Image. So go to uh, actions and create image from snapshot. So we have to give the image name. So this is a snapshot demo image. This is the name of image. So I will use the same for the description and it will contain all other details of the image and then we have to create the image. So if we want to see the image has been created, now we want to see the image, we will have to go to AMI, and we see that our image is available, it is created. Now we will use this image to create a completely new EC2 instance which will be encrypted. How we will do that? Let's go to our EC2 dashboard, go to launch instance. We are creating a new instance here, so this will be our encrypted uh, snapshot, encrypted and EC2 server for demo. This is the name which I am giving it. Now we have to select the Amazon machine image. So these are some example, like this is customized Linux, then Windows, then Red Hat. These are different images which are there. Some are free, like this Amazon Linux is free, and some are having some price. So we will go to our EMI which we have created, owned by me, and then I will see that this snapshot demo image which I have created, this is available here. I will choose this, and this is the instant type which is free, so I'm using this T2 micro, and then key pair. So in the demo I have already created a key pair, I'm using that in my last demo, you can see. And then we will keep all the security group configuration, storage configuration, and other recovery and domain and other CloudWatch related information as it is. And then we will launch the instance. So this will show the progress. Okay, so this is completed successfully. Let's go to the instance, and here we will see that our instance encrypted EC2 server demo is created, and still it has to come online. We will wait. I will pause this demo. Once it's come online, we will resume. Okay, guys, so we can see encrypted EC2 server is now available. It's online, and here are the details of our server. And here, if you see, we have its public IP address, then we have the other details like VPC, what it is using, then we have the Linux, because that AMI what we have created, we have used the snapshot demo to create the EMI AMI. So yeah, these are the different details what we can see about this EC2. So I hope this video will be helpful for some of you who are looking to how to create EC2, then how to take the snapshot of that EC2, then how to migrate that snapshot from one region to another. That is one of the good use case of the snapshot. And then while after migrating, even from in that region, you can create the image of the snapshot, and then in that region you can create the EC2 instance using that image. So this is the very best use case where you have created once, where you have created EC2, you have deployed all the application once in one region. Now you can replicate into another region within minutes. So this is very beautiful thing, and I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. If so, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will keep coming with more such videos. Till then, take care and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.